Hi everybody, I'm Rachel Mitchell, the Maricopa County Attorney. I want to talk to you today about sextortion. We're seeing an increase in those types of cases. So what is sextortion? Sextortion is when somebody uses something against another person so that they can get sexual acts from that person or they can get sexual pictures. This often happens with kids who are on the internet. The kids will post something, the other person will see it and threaten to embarrass them with it unless that child sends either pictures of him or herself to that person or the child performs sex acts with that person. Not only is that a tragedy in and of itself, but the greater tragedy is we're seeing those types of things linked to suicide. I actually helped write the sextortion law for Arizona, and we're one of the few states that have a specific law that governs this and punishes it. It is a serious offense. But it's very important for parents to head it off at the pass. So what can you do as parents? Well, make sure you know what your child is doing online. Talk to your children and your young adults about not providing information to strangers. Make sure that they understand that you can be anybody on the internet. I've seen cases where 50-year-old men have portrayed themselves to be 14-year-old girls. And so talk to the kids about the reality of the internet. Make sure you know what kinds of apps they're using. If they're using apps that have something to do with anonymity so that you really don't know who the other person is, or apps that require the sharing of personal information or allow the child to communicate with somebody that they don't know, those are signals for danger for a parent. It's also advisable to have the internet access in a common area of the house so that you can monitor what your child is doing. These people who are online doing this type of thing to kids are very, very manipulative, and they're very, very dangerous. We want to protect our kids. I spent 25 years of my career protecting kids, and I've seen many cases like this. So please have that conversation. I know it's a difficult conversation, but it is critical for your child's safety. And make sure that you tell them that if something happens, if someone reaches out to them, if something embarrassing is held over their head, to tell you about it and that they will not be in trouble. It's more important to have that communication. It's critical to helping your children stay safe. Thank you.